Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You need admin access, so sign in now. This lets you change core settings. Once signed in, open System Settings, then choose Privacy and Security and scroll to Firewall. Make sure apps you use for verification are closed because they can trigger prompts. Click the Firewall section to reveal controls. You're starting the process. You're doing this to control inbound connections and testing behavior, so stay focused. And don't skip verifying the account and closing apps before proceeding. Once the firewall pane is visible, click the lock icon to unlock settings, enter your admin password when asked. Then toggle the firewall off. macOS will ask you to confirm, accept to proceed. While you do this, review the list of apps that are allowed through the firewall and note any critical entries, because disabling removes those protections. If you want temporary testing, leave a note of changes. You're turning off inbound filtering, so understand that network services become more exposed. After toggling off, check that firewall status reads off. Restart your Mac if any connection oddities occur. Then test the specific network apps or services you intended to use, making sure they behave as expected. If something breaks, re-enable the firewall immediately and compare settings, or reset network settings as a next step. This often clears conflicts. One key troubleshooting tip: if apps fail, restore the firewall to on and inspect the allow list. Many connection problems come.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.